Hi, everybody. I'm Jackie Laco, owner of Sky Therapy, and I wanted to do this clinical hypnosis for you guys as a little introduction to help you relax, heal from your day, start out your day. I got trained in clinical hypnosis several years ago, and I love putting on these little scripts for my clients to help them heal throughout the week. So I hope you enjoy this. Find a comfortable spot. And I love to do this outside if that's available for you. I'm not here with my dog and my horses. Maybe you're at home with your animals, or maybe outside at a park, wherever you choose. Gaze around you, just noticing your breath. And as you see something, I just want you to count five of anything that you see. And then I want you to notice four sounds that you hear, moving to three smells that you might smell. Maybe your lotion, maybe the air, maybe a meal cooking. Notice two things that you're touching, whether it's your clothes, your yoga mat, the grass. It's quite muddy here today. And then lastly, one thing you taste. Could be toothpaste, saliva. You could even taste something in the air. And then I'd just like you to rock side to side, whether you're standing or sitting, before finding a comfortable spot, whether you're laying down, sitting up, wherever you'd like. Notice how the earth comforts you. Let your body fall into whatever final resting shape you are in. Finding comfort in your back or your side or even your stomach. Maybe fidgeting around, letting your body find that sweet, soft spot. Melt yourself into the floor so that you are the floor and the floor is part of you, melting into one another, finding no need to adjust yourself any longer. You can easily close your eyes and listen to the words I am saying, knowing I will help you to find some peace within because of your level of trust in me or your level of comfort with my voice. Imagine you are walking in a forest covered in the most beautiful birch trees, white with gray streaks and dots upon them, tall with branches coming out from all sides. These trees whisper in the winds and can withstand all kinds of weather conditions. As you walk among these trees, take a moment to involve all five of your senses as you watch. Touch the smooth paper upon these trees. Smell the fresh air. Hear the way they rustle in the wind. And open your mouth or let your tongue come out to taste the wind in the air. Taking a few silent breaths to take in all the senses. Mm. Staying with whatever sense you felt the most sensation with. Take a couple breaths here, feeling the trust within your heart. We learn to trust when we are born, and we build on that trust our entire lives. It hurts when someone betrays you. Most humans don't mean to betray you. They are hurt themselves and wanted a quick way out. Betrayal is a part of life, and that just hurts. As you remember some betrayal, the trees start to mark those times within your life. As they begin to pop up, you walk by them and wave them away like you are in the wind. These are strong birch trees holding up some of the betrayal that you wave away with your hand. These don't need to stay within your heart any longer. Notice how it feels when you wave the betrayal vision away, letting it disappear into the sky. Take a few silent moments as you let some of these betrayals go from your heart. Leaning on your favorite birch tree, take in all of your senses again, letting this tree heal you. feeling good sensations of trust, like how it feels to form a new friendship or find a doctor or therapist that gets you, or find a job you feel wonderful working at. Trust is a beautiful thing and very powerful among mammals. As you look up, you notice a pet from your past that you connected deeply with. This could even be a wild animal you saw and had a connection with in some way. Walk alongside that animal as they lead you back to consciousness. See if that animal has any final words of wisdom for you as we take a silent pause before coming back to the present. Turning your head to the sides and blinking ever so slowly, acclimating yourself back to the present, checking in with your breath to see if it's any different than when you started. Maybe tuning yourself towards something you enjoy watching, staying with that item for a moment and noticing how you feel if that's available. Taking a couple purposeful breaths before coming up to seated, however you wish, whether it's with a little stretch like a cat or a dog would do. Maybe coming to do a little toe squat, waking yourself up, bring your hands up and floating them to your sides. Thank you for joining me, and feel free to watch any of the other videos I have.